If you have a house in Lewis Center, Ohio that you're looking to sell fast and easily, even if the property is occupied or leased out, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin with Sell House Columbus, and for over 14 years, we have been buying properties in and around Lewis Center, Ohio, even if and when the property is leased out or occupied by some type of third party. People like working with us because we're going to keep it extremely easy for you, and we can handle all tenant correspondence, we can handle any notices that need to take place, and we don't need to inspect the property 100 different times and get a bank appraisal through there, and that's really going to disrupt the situation with the person that's living there. We're very easy to work with because we're a true cash buyer, and we're going to buy the property in its as-is condition. And what that means is you don't need to fix anything up, you don't need to clean anything, and you don't need to haul anything away. And believe me, we've worked with many, many rental properties and occupied properties. I don't care if the person living there is the cleanest person in the entire world. There's still properties, or there's still some type of repairs that are probably going to be needed if the property is occupied. You don't need to do any repairs whatsoever. We're not going to nitpick the property. We can close on the property since we're a true cash buyer, and it's not like a traditional buyer situation where there's different approvals needed or appraisals and inspections, and it just gets complicated. It's going to be very easy. We're going to purchase the property in its as-is condition, and when you call us, we're going to make you a fair cash offer on the property. Now, if our offer works for you, great. We'll move forward. It's going to be very easy, and we're going to communicate clearly throughout this entire process. You're always going to know where we're at in the process, and if our offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. We can shake hands and part as friends. We're never going to leave a bad taste in your mouth and pressure you or create fake urgency or have gimmicks and sales tactics or anything like that. So if you have a property in Lewis Center, Ohio that you're looking to sell fast, easily, and conveniently, even if the property is tenant occupied, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. We're going to keep it simple for you. My name is Dave Perichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.